Good day everyone, my name is James Roel H. Quijada from Bachelor of Secondary major in Mathematics Section A. So now, I am going to teach you on how to add and subtract polynomials or adding and subtracting polynomials. But before we proceed into our procedures, so don't forget to hit the notification bell and to click the subscription button or to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you're updated in my upcoming math tutorial videos. So adding polynomials. So first we have polynomials x cubed plus x squared plus 3x minus 1 and x squared plus 5x plus 10. So in adding a polynomial, so always remember you only have to combine the similar terms, because if that variable is not the same, so you cannot add or subtract that variables, but instead you can combine. So in this polynomials, so in this situation, you're going to combine only the similar variables. So similar variables would be x. So we have x cubed. So we have x cubed. So x squared plus x squared. So always remember that in x squared, so it has an imaginary number which is 1. So 2 plus 1, so 2 plus 1, so plus 2, so plus 2x, so plus x squared, then positive 3x plus 5x, so we have positive, so positive 8, so we have positive 8x, then positive 10 minus 1, so we have positive 9. So this is the answer if you add x cubed plus x squared plus 3x minus 1 and x squared plus 5x plus 10. So you only have to combine the similar variables or similar degrees. But some students find difficult in adding if the sign is not the same, but later on, so we can adjust, or I can teach you on how to add with different signs. So in this case, so the answer would be x cubed plus 2x squared plus 8x plus 9. So another example in adding a polynomial. So we're going to add x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 11 to 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 3x plus 2. So again, in adding a polynomial, so you are going to combine the similar terms. So x raised to 4. So in this case, so it is only the x raised to 4, so it doesn't have any same variable here in right. So bring down x raised to 4. So next is positive 2x cubed. So you're going to add both sides. So 2x cubed plus 2x cubed. So we have positive 4x cubed, then positive 7x squared minus x squared. So in this case, it has a different sign. So if you encounter this problem, so automatic, so because you're adding a polynomial, right, or variables, right, so 7x squared, so automatic 7x squared would be subtracted to x squared instead of adding, because it has a different sign, right? So that is the rule in the integers. So 7x squared, so we have an imaginary 1 here, so 7 minus 1, so we have positive 6x squared. So why we don't write negative symbol or negative sign? Because if the value of the positive is bigger than negative, so you copy the positive sign. If the value of negative number also will bigger compared to positive number, so of course you copy the negative. So it depends on the value of the number. So the sign will depend on the value of the number. The bigger the number, so the sign will be copied. Okay, so next is positive 2x minus 3x. So in this case, you are going to subtract again. So negative 3 minus positive 2, the answer would be negative 1, or we just imagine we have 1 here and negative 1x, then negative 11, so negative 11 plus 2, so again different sign, so we're going to subtract. So negative 11, positive 2, 11 minus 2, 9. Then the bigger value is the 11, so we copy the negative symbol. So we have negative 9. So that is the answer in adding these polynomials. The answer would be x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 9. So next is the subtracting a polynomial. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 is subtracted to 3x squared plus 4x plus 8. So we can say that it has a negative symbol here. Okay, so in this case, so we have to subtract polynomials. In this case, you are going to distribute this negative sign to this polynomial. So now we have x squared plus 2x minus 3. So distribute the negative sign. So negative 3x squared minus 4x minus 8. So we have another equation or situation. So after distributing the negative symbol, so you can now combine the similar terms. So in the first slide, so in adding a polynomial, so you can automatically combine similar terms. But in subtracting a polynomials or subtracting integers or polynomials, so first you are going to distribute the negative sign. So after distributing the negative sign, so combine the similar terms. So what are the similar terms here? So we have negative 3x squared and x squared. So again, negative symbol, so minus, automatic minus. So we have, then the value of 3 is bigger than the value of 1. So we have negative, so we have negative 2x, we have negative 2x squared. The next is negative 4x plus 2x. So negative 2x, the negative 8 minus 3 would be negative 11. So always remember, in subtracting or adding a polynomials, in writing the answer, always start with a bigger degree. So your degree would be in descending or decreasing, okay? Decreasing. So your degree would be decreasing from highest to lowest. So in this case, so the answer of this problem would be negative 2x squared. Okay, negative 2x squared minus 2x minus 11. This one. Okay, the last example in subtracting a polynomial. So we have 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus 8x minus 2 minus 7x raised to 4 plus x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 8. So we have positive symbol here. So we have negative here So again, in subtracting polynomial, so first you're going to distribute the negative sign to this polynomial. So first we're going to copy this. Okay, so we have say 6x cubed, 6x, so 6x cubed plus 7, 7x squared plus, okay, plus 8, okay, plus 8x minus 2. And then we're going to distribute the negative sign. So negative 7x raised to 4, negative, okay, negative x, okay, negative x cubed, then minus 2x squared, then minus x, then minus 8. Okay, so we have this situation. So after distributing the negative sign, so next you are going to combine the similar terms. So again, in adding or subtracting a polynomial, so in the answer you are going to arrange the degree of the polynomials into descending order, so from highest to lowest. So the answer in this, okay, the answer in this problem, so first the highest degree would be negative 7x raised to 4. Then next is we have the cube. Okay, we have the cube, so 6x cubed minus x cubed, so we have positive 5x, we have positive x cubed. Then again, in subtracting polynomials or in different symbol, so we're going to, if it has a different sign or okay sign, so instead of subtracting, okay, in this case you're going to subtract the 6x cubed to x cubed because it has a different symbol, and we're going to follow the sign into the bigger value. So the value of 6 is bigger than 1, so we're going to copy the positive symbol. So next is the 7x squared, 7x squared minus 2x squared. So we have the answer here. We have positive, so we have positive, okay, so we have positive because you're going to subtract, so positive x, okay, positive x squared. Then the next is positive 8x minus x, so would be positive, okay, positive 7. And lastly, negative 2 minus 8 would be, the answer would be negative 10. So in this case, the answer would be negative 7x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed plus 5x squared, then plus, okay, 8 minus 1, so plus 7. So we have x here, so positive 7x. Then lastly, negative 2 minus 8, so we have negative 10. So this is the final answer in this case. So I hope that I gave you some tips in adding and subtracting the polynomial. So I hope this video tutorial will help you in adding and subtracting polynomials in different situations, because some of other students is find difficulties because of the sign and the negative sign. So that's all. Thank you. But before I officially end my video tutorial or math tutorial, so I would like to thank this man, this school, this application, which is the CapCut, and this one, and to myself, because I am the one who behind this video tutorial. So I hope you understand a lot with these tutorials, and I hope I can post many videos in this YouTube channel. So thank you everyone, and God bless.